OptiFlow AI for B2B software as service. Every B2B software company eventually faces the same challenge: multiple critical customers escalations, but only a few senior specialists. OptiFlow AI is an autonomous customer escalation portfolio governor. Instead of deciding which tickets comes next, it determines where scarce expert can create the greatest overall business value while keeping humans in control. Today we'll present the problem, our agentic solution, its architecture, and our phase 2 implementation plan. Every urgent customer cannot be the first. Imagine four critical customer escalation arriving simultaneously while only three specialists are available. One customer is approaching an SLA breach, another has a product launch tomorrow, and another is nearing contract renewal. Managers must balance customer value, contractual obligations, specialist availability, and workload. The real challenge is not which tickets come first, it is which allocation minimizes the overall business impact across the all customers. Routing versus portfolio governance. Platforms like Salesforce and ServiceNow already perform intelligent ticket routing, but OptiFlow is different. Instead of optimizing one ticket at a time, it evaluates the entire escalation portfolio, predicts the impact of delaying each case, compares alternative allocation strategies, and recommends the plan with the lowest overall business risk. Next, the OptiFlow solution. OptiFlow acts as an intelligent decision layer above existing enterprise system. It gathers live customer escalation and specialist data, predicts business impact, generates multiple allocation plans, compares their trade-offs, and recommends the best strategy. High impact business decisions require manager approval before execution. Instead of a simple priority score, OptiFlow provides recommendations with supporting evidence, confidence scores, and alternative strategies. Now, the illustrative scenario. Consider the synthetic phase 2 scenario. Alpha Bank has a payment API failure and may breach its SLA within 2 hours. Nova Retail's enterprise onboarding is blocked, although its launch is scheduled for tomorrow. Green Logistics has a reporting defect and renews in 5 days after already being postponed twice. Medicore has a security review blocking a potential deal. However, only three specialists are available. Maya understands payment systems but is fatigued. Daniel specializes in data pipelines. Nimble is an architect but he is available only for 2 hours. OptiFlow must decide which combinations creates the lowest total expected loss for the business. Now, the counterfactual reasoning. Rather than producing a single recommendation, OptiFlow compares multiple possible futures. It evaluates the current allocation, revenue first, SLA first, and balanced strategies. In our example, the balanced strategy best protects customer outcomes while avoiding specialist overhead. Every recommendation includes supporting reasons, trade-offs, and confidence scores. The values shown are synthetic demonstration data. Now, the agentic loop. OptiFlow follows a continuous agentic decision loop. Starting from a business objective, it gathers relevant information, predicts outcomes, generates candidate plans, critiques them against business policies and fairness constraints, and recommends the best options. High impact actions pause for human approval. After execution, the system monitors results, adapts the new events, and safely recovers from missing data or unavailable tools. Next, the technical architecture. OptiFlow combines AI reasoning with deterministic optimizations. The enterprise state builder aggregates customer escalations, specialist, and operational data. Prediction services estimate risks and business impact. LangGraph orchestrates the multi-agent workflow while Google or tools generates feasible allocation plans under business constraints. Finally, the managers review recommendations before execution, ensuring both explainability and accountability. Now, human control. OptiFlow applies risk-based human oversight. Low-risk internal actions can execute automatically, while business-critical decisions always require approval. Managers can approve, modify, reject, or request additional evidence. Every recommendation and decision is recorded to ensure transparency and accountability. Now we'll look our phase 2 execution plan. We'll build a functional prototype using synthetic enterprise data. LangGraph will orchestrate the workflow, and OpenAI model will interpret business context. Our tool will optimize resource allocation, and PostgreSQL will store operational state. The demonstration will show planning, approval, execution, failure recovery, and dynamic replanning. Now we'll look business value. OptiFlow is evaluated through business outcomes rather than AI activity. We'll compare it against current assignments, revenue first and SLA first approaches using matrices such as allocation quality, constraint compliance, workload balance, customer fairness, and recovery from disruptions. Our long-term vision extends beyond escalations management into onboarding migrations and professional services planning. About NeuroX. We first learned about NeuroX through an official university announcement. What attracted us was its focus on true autonomous AI rather than conventional chatbots. Designing OptiFlow challenged us to build an accountable agent capable of reasoning, planning, adapting, and collaborating with humans. Thank you.